Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, today I am sharing some yoga therapies for abs. They build strength in your core and relieve your lower back. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Lie down on your back, palms on floor. First, relax your breath with deep inhale, slowly exhale. Now, slowly tuck your elbows on floor. Now raise your upper body up, balance your body on your elbows. Now, like this, balance your weight on your head slowly, very slowly. Now raise your upper body completely up, open your chest, breath here normally, no need to control your breath. Feel the stretch here. That yoga therapy will build strength in your core. You can put your palms on your thighs as per your comfort, or you can put your palms on floor. Stay in this position minimum 10 breaths and maximum 20 or as much as you can. After 20 breaths, slowly come up. Again, balance your weight on elbows. Slowly release the posture. Release your hands and relax your breath. One more time with me. Same process, elbows on floor, palms on thigh. Raise your upper body up. Balance your weight on your head. Open your chest. Again, 10 breaths. Minimum 10 breaths, maximum 20 breaths, and then slowly again release the posture. Release your hands, palms on floor. Relax your breath. Now move to next therapy. For that, bend your knees. Again, give the full relaxation to your body. Now, hold your both ankles by your hands. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now, raise your lower body up with inhale. Balance your weight on your shoulder. This yoga therapy build strength to your core and relieve your lower back. Stay in this position minimum 10 breaths. Maximum 20 breaths in a day. After 20 breaths, slowly release the posture. Relax your shoulder muscle. Relax your hands. Now again with me. Hold your ankles with inhale.
Exhale. Normal breath. Minimum 10, maximum 20. And then again slowly release the posture. Relax your shoulder, relax your legs. Relax your breath. Slowly come up.
So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get positive results. Namaste, take care and be connected.